Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on a lyrical video, and this is we are back again from the movie Bang.
Yes, so this is a Kannada movie, and the movie is produced by Srimati Pooja Vasant Kumar.
Okay.
The music and background score is given by Ritvik Murlidhar, and the singers are Lavanya Narasimhan and Jayanti Narasimhan. Okay, and the movie casts are Shanvi Srivastava, Raghu Dikshit, Satvika, Ritvik Murlidhar, Natya, Sunil,
And
Jahangir, and a lot of names are there. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. We are superly excited because this movie, the shooting is already got completed, and the lyrical video they have released today. They have already released one motion poster, I think, which we somehow missed actually.
Yes.
But
and
this
we haven't
one,
watched any trailer
till now.
I don't think they have released any trailer.
Maybe they
till
have
now.
not released the trailer, but yes, this lyrical song is looking very promising.
Right. And we are back again. That means it's going to be a something inspirational kind of song,
मुझे तो लग रहा है क्योंकि we are back again. That मतलब meaning is very quite meaningful, and a lot of meanings are there behind that, right? And yes, let's get started without wasting any time. We'll be talking more about that after seeing this video. But yes, उससे पहले अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे नए हैं तो please subscribe our channel guys, and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Yes.
Like a new dawn breaks from a dark, dusky night, things that end will start when all is right. Bang, bang, bang. The world goes round and we're back to square one, feeling fresh and bright like the sun. Bang, bang, bang. Wow. Let's fly high through the clear blue sky. It's amazing just to be alive. Bang, bang, bang. Sing and dance, get up and do a prance. All the fun's gonna start with a bang. Bang, bang, bang. Ready, steady, go. Let everybody know that we're now set for the show. Bang, bang. Ready, steady, go. Never felt this way before. It's time for us to go. We are back again. We are back again. We are back again. With a bang, bang, bang. We are back again. We are back again. We are back again. With a bang, 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 bang. Like the bees that are happy when flowers bloom, we're filled with joy after all the gloom. Like spring that follows a winter so cold, we're here again with a story untold. We're gonna make you move and groove all that, that's right. The beat will make you all lose control. Come together, it's a wonderful sight, alright, 'cause we have given it our heart and soul. Ready, steady, go, let everybody know that we're now set for the show. Bang, bang. Ready, steady, go, never felt this way before. It's time for us to go. We are back again, we are back again, we are back again, with a bang, bang, bang. We are back again, we are back again, we are back again, with a bang, bang, bang. We are back again, we are back again, we are back again,
Action!
bang, bang. We are back again, we are back again, we are back again, with a bang.
Wow,
Wow.
that is
That is
awesome.
amazing,
man.
amazing. Really, this
Really?
is this songs feels me so much happy because it feels like after a lot of unsuccessful attempts of a lot of the
Yes.
things, we are again coming back on the track.
On the track, very
Yes,
true.
so-
This song is about that only. Actually, it's there is a line. It's amazing just to be alive. That
just to be alive.
line is मतलब so much beautiful, like मतलब the whole song, it is having a lot of meaning, a lot of energy from within, a lot of positivity. Like if you are मतलब constant fond of kind of like energetic song and inspirational song, this song
quotes
is
and
going
all,
to be
right?
for you
And also,
only.
of course,
Yeah.
this songs itself, its lyrics is having a
Yes.
lot of different quotes also. That
Quotes
quotes
also.
will inspire you a lot.
Inspire you a lot.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, and also the good part is the song is completely in English, so you can totally understand what is the meaning of this song. This is
Yes.
actually inspirational quote. And एक चीज है इस song में एक बहुत अच्छा बात है, this is not a very much rocking kind of a song.
Right.
This is a very soothing
Soothing kind.
still a very energetic song. You can
Right.
definitely re-listen to this song again and again and again.
Yes,
You just
exactly.
definitely going
This
to love.
this is a song when you want to listen, like whenever you are feeling sad or down, that time you can listen to this song so that you will come back again, or
back
you are
again.
feeling happy.
Yes.
Not like in a party mood and all. Not
No,
like
no,
that.
not like that. It's
You are
inspirational,
feeling
na? That
happy,
is why.
and that time also you can listen this kind of song.
Instantly it's a
lift
mood,
your mind.
mood of the uplifting song, this
Yes,
one actually.
exactly.
And here actually here and there in the song only it was like showing some of the context of the movie. It is looking like it is an action movie actually, like with a lot of thriller and suspense kind of situation.
can be
It's
happen.
not a family kind of a melodrama
Family
movie.
drama,
It's
it will not be. Sure.
action movie only.
Yes, and I think for Raghu Dikshit, this is a debut movie. I think
debut
so.
for him.
Yes, and what about the
So much
singer?
good. Yes, whatever the singers are two singers actually, but you cannot really judge the दो लड़की मतलब
they are singing,
सिंगिंग कर रही
together,
है.
right?
वन मतलब वन वॉइस ही हमको मिला, बट लग रहा है दे आर सिस्टर्स ओनली. सो मे बी
Like that.
हाँ, क्योंकि नरसिम्हन दोनों का है
Okay.
सरनेम. लवण्या नरसिम्हन, जयंती
Okay,
नरसिम्हन.
okay. So both
So
the
maybe
sisters
both the
might be.
sisters
We are,
maybe.
we are thinking
But
like
her
that.
voice,
Yes.
like,
voice was so much soothing
very firm, like
and pleasant for the ears also. You
हाँ
can
हाँ
tell.
हाँ, and also very much soothing also at the same time.
yeah.
So मतलब really we thoroughly enjoyed, and some of the glimpses of the movie what we saw is like one lady was there and she was having some eye makeup going
she
on
was,
something.
She was Sanvi Srivastava.
Maybe it is the part of the shooting or the context of the
or
movie. We
before
couldn't
shooting
understand.
it is happening.
We couldn't understand,
Okay.
because
that can be happen.
her face was just like very dim and very conscious, like in this scene only. I'm not quite sure,
Exactly.
but yes,
they have
it is.
yeah, that is the concept, and I think they have covered all the lyrics here in this particularly
lyrics,
video.
lyrical video
And
hai.
along with that, the beats of this music, I really liked it. It was soothing to the ear, and the
Yes.
way both the singers are singing, that was
The
pleasant.
coordination was also very
was
good. Yes,
good.
very good actually. And this is what matlab, they may be not a very big production, but this kind of song always like give people a lot of hope. Okay,
think,
I
yes,
have to
exactly.
come up with my talent, or I have to come up with my songs or my bunch of singers. This is always like very enthusiasm kind of a situation, and also for us also it's a new talent to see
Yes,
on
exactly.
the platform.
I think this kind of
right?
songs, this deserves a lot of views also. They have got a very less views,
but yes, it should
the
be
way
getting.
the song
I'm
is
not
they have
sure
presented.
why it is a less view, but this is going to be like, it is a very fantastic song, and I think people should watch this video
Song.
a lot.
And, we
Song
can't
is
judge
also
what type of movie it will be there. Like it will be a grand kind of big movie or not something. We are not able to judge right now, right?
right now we are not able to judge, but definitely it's a Kannada movie, and Kannada movie का अगर आप देखते हो, आप जानते हो, they are मतलब
they are also good
content
movie
of the
makers.
movie is like awesome always, and the actors and actresses are brilliant there. Their story points are marvelous, so I'm quite sure that this movie also is going to be a very super movie.
Every time if
For
anybody
sure.
reminds me of Kannada movie, I first of all
KGF.
that KGF comes into my mind.
Yes.
Because the way it has impacted
Oh
on
my
everybody's
goodness.
mind.
My God.
goodness.
Okay.
Yes.
So also this song is available in Gaana.com, so definitely you can hear it again from Gaana.com. And yeah, that is it for today's video. So Bang, already Bang Bang एक movie है था ना?
Yes, so that is in
हिंदी
Bollywood,
में,
right?
बॉलीवुड में वो
Hrithik
Bang
Roshan
Bang,
is
ऋतिक
there.
रोशन का जो भी वो मूवी उतना मतलब हिट नहीं था, फ्लॉप ही आप बोल सकते हो, लेकिन मुझे लग रहा है कि ये जो बैंग ये मूवी है, इसमें भी बहुत सारा एक्शन काइंड ऑफ
Action
सीन्स
और
रहेगा.
yes.
मतलब बंदूक तो रहेगा ही. बैंग का मतलब ही वो होता है ना,
Yes.
ढाई करके उड़ा देना, वही
Right.
होता है. तो we are super excited when this movie is going to be released. By the way, they have not shared, I think, ना?
Yes, they haven't shared I'm hoping that they have completed their shooting, so most probably they will get this movie will get released by the end of this
by
year.
the end of this year,
Yes,
or maybe in couple of months हो सकता है, right? So yeah, that is it for today's video. Super excited for this movie, for this
Yeah.
launch also. The song is superb. You can definitely hear the song again and again.
In
We
the
are
repeat
also
mode.
going to do that. We are also going
because
to do that.
the lyrics wise it's
Ah.
fantastic,
Ah.
and it's English, so we can also hear that.
Actually, after a very stressful, hectic day, from the work or something else in which you are, associated with, after a lot of hectic kind of moments, you can definitely watch this song.
Yes.
मतलब hear this song.
Listen this song. I
Listen
think
to this song.
while
and
walking and all, you can do that.
yeah. Very, very good, yeah. Commendable job. And yeah, that is it for today's video. That is our reaction.
Yes.
Please let us know how you feel about this reaction. And if you like our reaction, please subscribe our channel, guys. Also, please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and
Yes.
family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.